Jackpot! I've found 14 prefab tiny homes that are not only stylish and super functional, but also crazy easy to install. Like, some of these can be set up in a single day. Alright, so let's be real. No matter how much you adore your home, hosting over the holidays probably made one thing super clear. You could really use a bit more space. Maybe it's a cozy guest spot, a man cave, a shed, a cool home office, or just a chill hangout zone for the kids. Having that extra space? Totally worth it. Now, if adding a full-on extension to your house feels a little out of reach this year, don't stress. A lot of folks are turning to backyard solutions like ADUs, sheds, or even tiny homes. But here's a hot tip. Prefab tiny homes are becoming a go-to choice because they pretty much check all the boxes. And also, if you're craving a little getaway without actually leaving your backyard, tiny homes are all the rage these days. With the housing market getting crazier, these small homes can be way cheaper than building a whole new house. Even big stores like Amazon and some more are jumping in, offering foldable pop-up homes. Let's explore 14 of these amazing prefab homes. Number 14. Legend 1 by Nestron. From $34,000. If you're thinking about dipping your toes into the tiny home lifestyle, let me introduce you to one of the most durable portable options out there. It's called the Legend 1 by Nestron. This thing is built like a tank but looks super sleek and modern. It's made to handle all kinds of weather, whether it's earthquakes, heavy rain, or even typhoons. Inside, it's got everything you need packed into about 250 square feet. There's one cozy bedroom, a full bathroom, a functional little kitchen, and a combo space that works as your living and dining area. It's super compact, but it feels smartly designed. Number 13, Echo by Off Grid Dwellings, from $42,495. Now, if you're into that clean, minimalist vibe with a serious Scandinavian touch, you're gonna love this one. This is the Echo Tiny Home by Off Grid Dwellings, and it's actually the smallest and most basic model they offer, but in a good way. Think of it as the essence of simple living, boiled down to the bare, beautiful essentials. Now, stepping into the Echo is like stepping into a cozy little cabin where less really is more. It's a studio-style setup, which basically means you get one open space to work with no walls breaking things up. That open design, paired with those big, beautiful windows, makes the whole space feel surprisingly airy and light. It's like the outdoors is constantly invited in. Talking about its size, then, you've got 170 square feet of living space here, which is compact but super functional if you know what you're using it for. Number 12. Abodu Studio, from $228,800. Let us tell you about this super cool tiny home we just came across seriously. It's one of the most livable studio-style prefab homes we have seen in a while. Even though it's only 340 square feet, it doesn't feel cramped at all. They've done an amazing job with the layout. You get a full kitchen, yes, a real full-sized kitchen, not one of those mini setups. It actually comes with a full-size fridge and a dishwasher, which is really rare in homes this size. Now here's something we love about the Murphy bed. It folds up into the wall when you're not using it, which gives you way more space to move around during the day. And you're not stuck with a cookie-cutter look either. You can actually customize the exterior with different siding options. They've got fiber cement if you want something super durable, horizontal lap siding for that classic look, or vertical cedar if you're going for a more natural modern cabin vibe. Number 11. Norman by Off Grid Dwellings, from $84,495. Time to talk about a prefab tiny home that's all about the views, and we mean really all about the views. It's called the Norman, and it's made by a company called Off Grid Dwellings. This is an A-frame cabin with those tall floor-to-ceiling windows that bring in tons of natural light. Inside, you've got a cozy loft bedroom, and yes, you can fit a king-size bed up there. It's perfect if you want room to stretch, enjoy quiet time, or have guests over without feeling cramped. Number 10. Hashmi Home from $23,900. This one's for small families who want more space without the big price tag. With 3 bedrooms, a full living room, and a kitchen, this prefab home feels like a regular house, just more affordable. Each room comes with a window, so natural light is everywhere. You'll need to handle some of the setup yourself, but most of the structure is already built. Number 9. SKALI from $306,767. Now this is a strong one. The SKALI backcountry cuboid is built with nickel, copper, and chromium basically. It's ready for wild weather. It's 424 square feet and includes a full kitchen, a 3-part bathroom, and a main bedroom. There are also open lofts where you can add 2 more beds. Just customize your setup on their website, and Loyal takes care of the build and sends everything, including the paperwork for your local building authority. Number 8. Escher by New Frontier from $235,000. Looking for something that works for a bigger crew? You'll want to check out the Escher model. This one is seriously roomy. It sleeps up to 6 people, which makes it perfect for families. It's got 2 legit bedrooms, and the main one? It comes with a king-size bed and even a walk-in closet. Yes, a walk-in. Plus, the kitchen is a dream for anyone who loves to cook. We're talking full chef's kitchen vibes. And here's the fun part. You can add a loft with skylights, which honestly just gives it that magical, tucked-in-the-woods feel. It's like having a full-on house, but hidden in nature. Number 7. Cube 2 by Nestron from $59,000. Next up is something totally modern and a little futuristic, the Cube 2. This one is all about smart living. It's a 2-bedroom home that comes fully furnished, so it's kind of a vacation dream setup. What's cool is it doesn't need a foundation. They literally just drop it into place using a crane and a flatbed. You get 328 square feet of smart design with an open layout, a skylight, yes, stargazing ready, and everything you need already built in. No construction headaches either. It arrives fully put together in just 3 to 4 months. Number 6. Modal OO by Modal from $240,000. Now, if you're into the whole studio vibe but still want it to feel open and comfy, check out Modal OO. This one's designed to feel bigger than it looks. It comes with quartz countertops, a full-size bathroom, high ceilings, and even a garbage disposal, which is rare for small spaces. The whole process, from start to finish, takes about 7 to 13 months, but the team works with you all the way, which is super helpful. Number 5. Dwell House by Abodu from $389,000. Then there's the Dwell House, and let us tell you, this one is all about that chill West Coast energy. It's perfect for a backyard hangout space or even an in-law suite. Super stylish and built for multi-generational living. A lot of people jumped on this during the pandemic, and it's still a solid pick today. You don't have to worry about hiring separate builders or juggling contractors. They take care of the whole thing and deliver it fully in as little as 6 months. Number 4. Backyard by Samara from $162,000 for a studio. If you're based in California, you've got to take a look at Backyard by Samara. These units come in all sizes from a simple studio to 2 bedrooms with 2 baths. They're built to last, and they even come with solar panels that power the whole home. You can customize pretty much everything, and the permit process is way easier than usual. Use it as a rental, a guest space, or just a chill personal spot. Number 3. Studio Shed from $45,000. Need something small but mighty? Enter the Studio Shed. It's a 120 square foot setup that works great as a guest room, home gym, or office. Think of it as your own little getaway spot right in your backyard. If you're down to save some cash, you can go the DIY route, but that does mean getting your hands dirty and putting it together yourself. Number 2. Sophie by Tiny Topanga from $115,000. All right, foodies and home chefs, you're gonna love Sophie. This model's totally designed around cooking and comfort. There's space for all your gadgets, a full-size shower so you're not crouching like you're camping, and stairs that lead up to two cozy bedrooms. It's got that spacious, smart layout that makes small living feel totally livable. Number 1, my Milla, from $98,500. If you've ever wanted a cool little space that can be anything like a cozy sauna, or even a mini guest house for friends staying the week, my cabin has you covered. Their homes are designed with that clean, Scandinavian style, and they're super versatile. One of their models, called the Milla, packs a lot into just 348 square feet. It's got a kitchen, a full bathroom, plus space to sleep and hang out, so your guests won't feel cramped at all. And if you need more space, you can actually buy a whole set of these units and piece them together. We mean, seriously, some of these you could have up and running before your next long weekend. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy cabin getaway, a minimalist backyard studio, or your first step into tiny living, there's something out there for everyone. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool finds like these. And hey, out of all the homes we looked at, which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments.